V3 Application Test Kit comes with gloves, 200 milliliters of V3, glass tray, funnel, filter, pipette. V3 features a reworkable coating. No masking required depending on the board, does not affect conductivity. To begin, ensure the device is completely powered off. Use 91% isopropyl alcohol to clean the board and apply using a lint-free microfiber cloth. Place the device onto glass container and slowly pour enough V3 solution to submerge the board. Leave the device submerged for 5 seconds, then remove device from the solution by its edges. Drain excess solution at a 45-degree angle. Place the device on a safe surface. Apply heat at 176 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes to cure the coating. Remaining solution can be filtered and used once again for further coatings. Store in a cool room away from sunlight. V3 can greatly expand the lifetime of electronic devices and be easily integrated into manufacturing lines. Besides water damage, V3 can also protect electronics from humidity, dust, corrosion, and bacteria. Lab tested by world-renowned labs and is RoHS and REACH certified. Protect and increase the lifespan of your electronics with NanoFlowX.